What's going on? Welcome to Guidance, the new page spin-off from my original page, CMIS82. You see me on TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. I focus on not only gaming, but also into facilities management and how it can work best for you. So for this topic, I'm going to focus more on how to obtain your facility management professional's credential for the first time. It's important to understand that this isn't just one big exam. It's a comprehensive training program designed to teach you the FMP way of running a building. So here's what a first timer should expect regarding the structure, the testing process, and the workload. The FMP is broken down to 4 distinct modules. You aren't tested on everything at once. You study one module, take that specific exam, and then move on. So the first module is operations and maintenance, which focuses on the physical building and all of its systems. Then you have project management, which covers the life cycle of facility projects from initiation to closeout. Finance and business, which teaches you how to speak C-suite language, so you're speaking about budgets, contracts, and procurement. Leadership and strategy, which focuses on team management and aligning FM with the company's overall goals. So expect an open book, but don't get too comfortable when you're taking the exam. Currently, the FMP exams are online and unproctored, which means that they're technically open book. But the questions are designed to test your application process, not just the definitions. So the trap is many first-timers fail because they spend too much time flipping through the manual. You only have a limited amount of time per question, so you must know the material well enough to find a specific detail very quickly. When you sign up, you get access to the IFMA learning system. The platform is your complete lifeline. You get all the little tips, tricks, tools to help you pass the exam. The workflow, most candidates read a chapter, do the online chapter quizzes, and then tackle the final module exam. But for the passing score, you generally need a 75% or higher to pass each module. If you don't pass the exam on the first try, you can always retake it, but there's usually a waiting period or a small fee for subsequent attempts. As far as time commitment, expect to spend about 15 to 25 hours per module. For a first timer, the finance and business module usually takes up the longest piece of time because you have to get around the concepts like depreciation, internal rate of return, which are often brand new for people taking the exam. Once you pass all 4 modules, you don't automatically get the letters after your name. You must remember to submit an FMP application to IFMA and pay the application fee, of course, to officially be recognized as a facility management professional. If you have any questions, always circle back. You know my page, message me. Go to ifma.org in order to find out where the nearest local chapter is if you want direct guidance from a local chapter member. As always, any IFMA member is willing to help.